In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clickable thumbnail image in Google Slides. Whether you want to link to a website, a video, or even another slide in your presentation, this is a simple yet powerful trick that can make your slides more interactive and professional. Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through the full process step by step. First, open up your presentation in Google Slides. Navigate to the slide where you want your clickable thumbnail to appear. Next, insert the image you'd like to use as the thumbnail. To do this, click Insert in the top menu, then select Image. From there, you can upload an image from your computer, search the web, or choose one from Google Drive or Photos. Once it's added, you'll see the image appear on your slide. Click on the image to select it. A blue border will outline the image, which means it's ready for the next step. Now it's time to add the link. You have 3 ways to do this. Click the chain link icon in the toolbar at the top, go to Insert greater than link in the menu, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. A small dialog box will pop up. Here, you can paste or type in the link you want. This could be a website URL, a YouTube video, or even another slide within the same presentation. Once your link is in place, click Apply. And that's it. Your image is now a clickable thumbnail. You can test it by clicking Present and hovering over the image. When you click it, it will take you straight to the link you set up. This is a great way to make your presentations more engaging, whether you're sharing resources, linking to videos, or guiding viewers to another part of your deck. And that's how you create a clickable thumbnail image in Google Slides in 2025. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Luck creating your CV.